Welcome back to Shib, everyone. According to Robert Kiyosaki, you will become wealthy if you invest $100, 0 cents, in Shiba Inu coins today. News from Shiba Inu's price surged higher on December 5th as markets continue to evaluate the jobs report from Friday. The stronger point indicates that the job market is resilient to Fed rate hikes and presents the potential Goldilocks scenario, in which the Fed continues to hike while no significant job losses occur and the economy continues to grow. This would greatly boost stocks and create a tailwind for cryptocurrencies this Monday. In this video, we'll discuss, according to Robert Kiyosaki, investing $100, 0 cents in Shiba Inu coins today will make you wealthy. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, please remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's start the video. Shiba Inu is traders on December 5th with a stunning move to the upside. At one point, an 8% gain was printed intraday in the Asia Pacific session. This move came off of the Chinese government loosening its CO policy further in the hopes of a soft landing in the US, as the US job numbers showed a very resilient job market sentiment. This could lead to a turnaround because the Fed is nearing its pivot and historically starts cutting rates quickly. After that, Shib has one significant job today, closing above the green ascending trend line to support the current breakout. This will allow bulls to regain the area above the trend line and put it back to good use to support the rally. The current equilibrium between all asset classes is extremely fragile at the moment, and a single headline from a Fed member that mentions something different from what markets are expecting could easily break down the current correlations. This would mean that the mentioned tailwind from equities could fall apart quickly and even become a headwind, triggering a drop below the green ascending trend line. Expect to see the 55-day simple moving average SMA and the 200-day SMA near 110 before hitting 1,000, 250 near the R1 resistance level for December. Tracking the activity of the largest market players, known as whale, is one way to stay ahead of significant market movements. Because blockchains offer transparency, these large market players have the ability to move the market both upward and downward. According to a recent on-chain analysis, it is possible to track the movements of crypto whales in real time using easily accessible online tools. Although it is still too simple to see Shiba Inu as a get-rich-quick meme coin, the case for Shiba Inu is more complicated, since, to its credit, its designers have been taking proactive measures to increase its overall value. Crypto whales seem to have a significant stake in Shiba Inu. The most drastic step, of course, has been greatly raising the burn rate of Shiba Inu, the coin launched, with a total circulating supply of 1 quadrillion coins. Therefore, Shiba Inu must continue to burn coins if it ever wants to reach to the $1, 0 cents price. A significant oversupply of Shiba Inu means this meme coin still trades for merely 0.99177 Shiba Inu. Has also been taking steps to boost the utility of its coin. For example, Shiba Inu has been developing a new online metaverse world where you can use crypto to buy and sell land. It also forms partnerships with retailers and real-world merchants to get Shiba Inu accepted as a legitimate payment option. One recent triumph, for example, includes American Airlines. When you're ready to arrange your next travel holiday, you can pay for your flight with eyes as a general rule. Shiba Inu's markets are moved by crypto whales. At the very least, you can get some good trading ideas by looking around the crypto portfolios of major whales. You can also get a better idea of how the biggest crypto investors in the world are allocating their portfolios and how many tokens they own overall. This is similar to the stock market, where investors make important decisions about what to do with a particular stock based on what Warren Buffett or a major hedge fund is doing. This would be possible if you make it a habit to regularly check what these whales are doing. After selling all of its FTT holdings and the ensuing collapse of FTX, Binance emerged as the largest cryptocurrency exchange based on daily trading volume. In recent weeks, it has even proven that it is one of the major players in the crypto market. The price of Shiba Inu closed the auction in November had a 25% decline in market value. A previously broken level of support has been retested by Shib, which may serve as the impetus for yet another slide. To generate opposing bullish scenarios, a persistent barrier and consolidation above 0.00001 will be required. As the meme coin reached a 3-week high on December 5th, Shiba Inu was another noteworthy gainer. SHI began the week at a high of 0.00001005, but as a result of today's gains, it dropped to a bottom of 0.9253 on Sunday. Chip bulls chose to sell their previous positions and take profits, which caused Shib to fall from previous highs and now trade at 9,866. Shiba Inu is trading at its highest level since November 11, close to a crucial resistance mark. This occurs while the index is now trading at 55.39 and the RSI approaches a resistance level of its own at 56, formerly top hedge fund. With his straightforward options trading method, Chris Haver is the real deal. He helps thousands of traders by giving his trade signals in real time. According to the Shib Superstore's official Twitter feed, an incredible 3.27 billion Shib tokens have already been burned by the initiative. This project started burning Shib tokens in November 2021, and it is anticipated that it will continue to burn billions of Shib tokens in the years to come. Token burning is the process of removing coins from circulation by moving them to an address without a private key, making them unretrievable within 7 days. While 223 million Shib tokens were burned the previous week on December 6, more than 280 billion Shiba Inu were transported by these unidentified whales in 3 processes after someone sold hundreds of millions on Binance. This week, 126 million Shib tokens were burned and 50 transactions were completed. After Friday's 115 billion Shiba sales, the Twitter user reported 3 transfers totaling 120 billion, 67 million, 36,396. It's also interesting to note that one of the whales sold hundreds of millions on Binance. Other scan data shared by the Shiba Play Twitter account indicates that anonymous wallets have transferred over 281 billion Shib tokens in the last 24 hours. 341,872,681 for 83 billion and 91,531,254 for 77 billion. The wallet that received 83.3 million and 77.9 million Shiba Inu is still at this address, but nothing can be said about the wallets that received Shiba Inu. Both of these wallets sent Shib, and now they have no Shiba Inu left in them. The wallet that purchased 83,341,872,681 Shib moved to another wallet and repurchased Shib in 3 large mails. The quantities he purchased were 243,639,085, 269,636,464, and 269,490,967. These 3 male Shiba Inus instantly sent all of the Shib to other addresses. With the current price fluctuations of the second largest meme coin whales, it is profitable to buy Shiba when it is on the decline and sell when it rises, even if only momentarily. On Friday, CryptoCoin.com reported that a mysterious whale sent 114,952,894,138 Shib to a wallet ending in -76C. This large chunk of Shiba was then sent to a Binance wallet, which was most likely to be sold at the time, according to Etherscan. The other 3 wallets sent large sums of Shiba to the same Binance wallet at the same time. That concludes today's content. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content